Contex offers a free trial of Nextimage Repro software. Try it with your own Contex scanner for 15 hours of scanning, or use the software's demo scanner option for an unlimited time. To begin the trial, just go to our website and fill out the form. Open the email, click the download link, install the software on your computer, and follow the instructions in the installation wizard. If you want to try Nextimage with your own scanner, you also need to install Wide System. Go to contex.com/wide system. Click on the installer link to begin the download and installation. End by restarting your computer and connect your scanner. When you open Nextimage, it will search for a scanner. Click Stop Search and OK to enter the demo mode, or connect and turn on your scanner to continue your 15-hour trial. You can see in the corner if the software is connected to your scanner or if it uses the demo scanner. Enjoy your free Nextimage software trial.